The reason you can't focus isn't because of TikTok. It's because your brain is starving for this one thing. See, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but your attention span isn't broken. Probably. Your brain's just chronically understimulated by mid-ass content. You're scrolling through recycled trauma dumps, fake productivity hacks, and cats that sound like Cardi B. Of course you can't focus. But here's a quick way how you fix it. Don't delete TikTok. Don't do a dopamine detox that lasts 3 days, then crashes. Instead, find one thing to obsess over. One thing that makes your brain lean in. It could be chess, building apps, writing short scripts, composing music, cooking like a Michelin chef. Doesn't matter. What matters is it's yours, and it pulls you in deep. That's how you build real focus, by giving your brain something worth focusing on. Take Ed Sheeran, for example. Dude had a stutter as a kid, could barely speak, but he got obsessed with songwriting, locked in, rapping to Eminem beats until the stutter literally vanished. Today, he can perform to millions without flinching. He didn't fix his focus with apps. He just found something that meant enough to break through the noise. So stop focusing on what to remove and start focusing on what you can build. Your brain's not broken, it's just bored, probably.